Welcome to Humor of Legends. Today, we're diving into the most common financial mistakes that stop you from saving money and growing your wealth. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and want to take control of your finances, this video is for you. Stick around to learn how to manage your money and avoid falling into these traps. Let's get started. Mistake number one, living paycheck to paycheck. Have you ever felt like your money disappears the moment you get it? This happens because of a lack of planning. Start saving at least 10% of your income. Even small amounts can grow into a significant safety net over time. Mistake number two, not tracking your expenses. Money often slips away unnoticed. Use an expense tracking app or a simple notebook to monitor your spending. This will help you spot unnecessary costs, like unused subscriptions or daily coffee runs. Mistake number three, thinking investments are only for the rich. Here's the truth. Everyone can start investing. Apps like Robinhood or Acorns allow you to invest with as little as $5. The sooner you start, the more your money will grow. Mistake number four, carrying high-interest debt. Credit card debt can drain your finances. Focus on paying it off as quickly as possible or look into transferring your balance to a card with a lower interest rate. Mistake number five, spending money to impress others. Stop buying things you don't need just to show off. True wealth isn't about flashy purchases, it's about security and freedom. Mistake number six, having no emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Cars break down, pipes burst. Aim to save at least 3 months' worth of expenses to protect yourself from unexpected costs. Mistake number seven, falling for get-rich-quick schemes. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Focus on building your wealth steadily and avoid shortcuts that often lead to losses. Mistake number eight, not having a budget. A budget isn't about restricting your spending. It's about knowing where your money is going so you can take control of it. Mistake number nine, skipping retirement savings. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the better. Even small contributions to a 401k or IRA can grow significantly over time thanks to compound interest. Mistake number 10, neglecting financial education. The more you learn, the better decisions you'll make. Watch videos like this one, read books, and always stay curious. And there you have it, 10 financial mistakes you can now avoid. Which of these have you made? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and entertaining content on Humor of Legends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.